Chiki channel. So today's video guys, we need to read and write this actuator sensor module using this as interface handheld by L plus folks. So this one, the as interface handheld. So this is the connector. So just plug in here and tight. You can see here. So this is the plug. So we have a hole here. Just plug in. See. Then we need to know the address, so just press add. So this address is 20. This address is 20. So we change the address. So I will put program, press program. So coming here, right, WR, you can see here. Then just I put 15 address. So then click program. So the address is 15. So try to plug out. So again back. Then double click off. Then click again. So now the address is 15. So this is how to use the as interface handheld, how to assign and how to read and write the address for sensor actuator module. So this sensor actuator module is using for bottling machine of Crons. So that's all guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.